What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at some Walmart clearance items. And I went to the Dollar General and did a little deal. Just was in there trying to find some penny items. Had no luck at that. So let's get into this video. But before we do, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. And if you are sitting around watching this and haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is totally free. You will not regret it. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these Walmart deals, y'all. Okay, y'all. Here is the items that I got from Walmart. First, y'all, we're gonna be talking about this Tide right here. This Tide. It is $17.94, but we can claim $3 cash back in the Walmart app, making these only $14.94, y'all. These are 20 something dollar bottles of Tide. This is 100 loads. This one is 94. Then I looked up and found some native body wash, and it's the lemon balm and bamboo. $3, y'all. I took all of them. Yes, I did, because everybody else was clearing shelves. I was looking. They had Olay on clearance. It was cleared. They had Dove. Shelves was cleared. So y'all be on the lookout at Walmart, because they are clearancing out a lot of stuff. Deodorants going on clearance, certain body washes, lotion, and just a whole lot of stuff. Now they done marked the Tides down to $17.94. I wonder if they are gonna get cheaper than that, but I will be keeping my eye out for that. And if I see something that y'all don't, I will let y'all know. Now let's check out these other items I scored at Walmart. Okay, y'all, I had got my grandson some clothes I found at Walmart. Y'all, tell me why all of these were $1. Yes, $1. And this is so cute. Look at the little sun, and it snaps between the legs. This is a little t-shirt. Sunny days. It was $1. Then we got this little undershirt that snaps between the legs, along with this one as well. They was $1. Then we got this little dinosaur saying yum. It was $1. Then we got this shirt. It was $1 as well. And then this tank top right here was 50 cents, y'all. And it says, my pop is the coolest. That's cute. But yeah, there's some clothes. Now let's check out some more Walmart steals. Okay, y'all, we got some more clothes. We got these little shorts, and you can see they say 50 cents, which they was. Then we got the little red shorts. They were 50 cents, and it's marked as well. And then all of these cute little shirts, y'all, were $2 each. And the they are also marked, and they were originally $5.98, y'all. $5.98, but they are marked down to $2, and that's not bad on the graphic t-shirts, because we all know graphic t-shirts are expensive. Then on these fluffy stuffies, it's like you pick the fur off and it turns into something else. My daughter likes these, and these are normally $10 and $15. These are $7.50. They was like 9 something, but they marked them down cheaper than that. And right now, Walmart has a lot of clearance items as far as toys and stuff go. So if you have little ones, be on the lookout for the clearance toys. Christmas is coming up. It's never too early to start. Go ahead, grabbing those toys and putting them up. So let's get into these last Walmart deals before we jump into Dollar General. Okay, y'all, here are the last items that I got at Walmart on clearance. And we're gonna start off with the degree. It was not on clearance, but it had a hanging coupon for $2 off, and the deodorant was $4.98. I used that $2 off, making it $2.98. The vanilla Nivea was on clearance for $6. It's that's still a little high, but I mean that was the last one on the shelf, so I grabbed it up. Then the native conditioner, Dunkin' Donuts, it's the Boston Cream. It was $2.50. Vaseline lotions was $2.50, and the Billy lotion was $6.50. I mean $6. So that is the rest of the clearance items that I scored at Walmart. Now I'm gonna show y'all a little deal I did at DG that cost me low out of pocket. So let's get into that deal. Okay, y'all, here are the items that I got from Dollar General. I did two transactions. On the first transaction, I got these sippy cups for my grandson because Green Dot items, which these are Green Dot, are 50% off. So $3. This cup was $1.50, and it's Moana, and it looks like that. And then I got him this little cup, and it has a straw underneath that you can drink out of, and it was $3 Green Dot, and it was $1.50 on clearance, and it has like the little strap to it. Then Mr. Clean, it is $6. We have a $2 digital, making it $4. So that was the the three items I got on that first transaction. Then the next transaction is, oh, hold on, let me show y'all my lovely daughter. Since y'all was wondering, see how they run? They don't like being on camera. I told y'all I got kids. They be here, but they don't like being on camera. Okay, but anyway, the last deal was spend 15, save $5 on Lysol wipes, Clorox wipes, or the Ziploc bag. So I decided to get two Clorox wipes, one Lysol wipe, and check me out. Okay, for the two Clorox wipes, y'all, when you buy two, they are $5.50 each, but when you buy two Clorox wipes, they are two for $10. So that's $10 right there. The Lysol wipes is $5, so that's 15 right there. But on the Clorox wipes, they have a dollar off coupon, so it'll make these two $9. Then on the Lysol wipes, which is $5, we have a 50-cent off, making them $4.50. So once all that magic happens and all the coupons come off, these three wipes will be $8.50 or $2.83 each. So that's how I did that one. Yeah, y'all, and that's my last deal, and I want to share some news with y'all as well. Starting today, well, August the 14th to August the 16th, Dollar General is having a sale. Green Dot home items is 50% off. Dinnerware is buy one get one free. Beach towels and blankets are 50% off. Green Clover garden items are 50% off. Yellow Dot spring summer accessories and shoes are 50% off as well, and it excludes flip flops. And it's also 50% off on lawn and garden, and 50% off on pink square swim items. So you know those little swim items or whatever, 50% off. So yeah, y'all, not a clearance event, but a DG sale. And yeah, Saturday y'all can show out and show up to Dollar General and pick up some of these deals they got going on, and they are good until the 16th, y'all. I'm late with this, but some of y'all probably already know. But this is the end of the video, y'all. Let me know if y'all enjoyed the video with a little comment. Subscribe, like, share, anything you want to do. All of it is free. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications, because I don't want y'all to miss out on the deal, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.